don't have to control your thoughts. You just have to stop letting them control you. Dan Millman, anxiety is a thin stream of fear trickling through the mind. If encouraged, it cuts a channel into which all other thoughts are drained. Arthur Summers Roche, anxiety is a normal response to uncertainty and things that may harm us. But if you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that it's okay to take a step back and take care of yourself. Unknown, anxiety is love's greatest killer. It makes others feel as you might when a drowning man holds on to you. You want to save him, but you know he will strangle you with his panic. Anais Nin, worry does not empty tomorrow of its sorrow. It empties today of its strength. Corrie ten Boom, anxiety is a signal that you're focusing too much on what you don't want. Use that energy to focus on what you do want instead. Unknown, I promise you nothing is as chaotic as it seems. Nothing is worth diminishing your health. Nothing is worth poisoning yourself into stress, anxiety, and fear. Steve Maraboli, the greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. William James, anxiety is a feeling of unease, such as worry or fear, that can be mild or severe. Everyone experiences it, but if it's affecting your daily life, there are things you can do to manage it. Unknown, anxiety is the dizziness of freedom. Soren Kierkegaard, anxiety is the handmaiden of creativity. T.S. Eliot, it's not stress that kills us, it is our reaction to it. Hans Selye, anxiety is a normal response to stress, but it doesn't have to control your life. There are many strategies you can use to manage anxiety and take back control. Unknown, the way to develop self-confidence is to do the thing you fear and get a record of successful experiences behind you. William Jennings Bryan.
Positive all the time. It's perfectly okay to feel sad, angry, annoyed, frustrated, scared, or anxious. Having feelings doesn't make you a negative person. It makes you human. Lori Deschene, anxiety is a feeling of unease that can range from mild to severe. It's a normal and healthy emotion, but it can become overwhelming and interfere with your daily life. Unknown, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela, anxiety is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't get you anywhere. Unknown, if you're feeling anxious, remember that you're not alone. Many people experience anxiety, and there are ways to manage it and feel better. Unknown, anxiety is the result of a lack of control, organization, preparation, and action. Focus on what you can control and take action to manage your anxiety. Unknown.
Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. John Lennon, anxiety does not empty tomorrow of its sorrows, but only empties today of its strength. Charles Spurgeon, don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Will Rogers, worry never robs tomorrow of its sorrow, it only saps today of its joy. Leo Buscaglia, the only way to deal with fear is to face it head on. Unknown, anxiety is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it doesn't get you anywhere. Unknown, in the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Unknown, your mind will always believe everything you tell it. Feed it faith. Feed it truth. Feed it love. Unknown, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Confucius, it's okay to be scared. Being scared means you're about to do something really brave. Unknown, the greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. William James, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Eckhart Tolle, when things are hard, it's easy to think that they'll never get better. But the truth is, nothing lasts forever. Unknown, you can't calm the storm, so stop trying. What you can do is calm yourself. The storm will pass. Timber Hawkeye, the more you know yourself, the less you will fear. Unknown, the present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. Thich Nhat Hanh, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt.
Anxiety is a thin stream of fear trickling through the mind. If encouraged, it cuts a channel into which all other thoughts are drained. Arthur Summers Roche, it's okay to not be okay all the time. Unknown, in the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein, be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can. Unknown, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Franklin D. Roosevelt, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr., life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Charles R. Swindoll, happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Dalai Lama, if you can't change the situation, change your attitude. Maya Angelou, you are not alone. We all have our struggles. Unknown, the secret of change is to focus all of your energy, not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Socrates, you are capable of more than you know. Choose a goal that seems right for you and strive to be the best, however hard the path. Aim high. Behave honorably. Prepare to be alone at times, and to endure failure. Persist. The world needs all you can give. E.O. Wilson.
I hope these quotes provide some comfort and perspective when dealing with anxiety. Remember, if your anxiety is interfering with your daily life, don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional. If you've been enjoying the calming sounds and soothing melodies of Sound Therapy Calm Mind, then thank you for tuning in. We hope our channel has provided you with the relaxation and stress relief you need to unwind and find peace in your day. Remember, taking care of your mental health and well-being is important, and incorporating sound therapy into your self-care routine can be a powerful tool for managing stress and anxiety. So, whether you're looking for a peaceful backdrop for your meditation practice or a soothing escape from the chaos of everyday life, our channel is here to help. We encourage you to continue exploring the benefits of sound therapy and finding ways to prioritize your mental health. And as always, thank you for listening to Sound Therapy Calm Mind.